Hey yo, it's grind time. I'm not the only one who made a pussy out He's so pussy Pornhub made a movie about him. Fool's a clown like everything pussy bout him. Fuck around, got around for anyone around him. Yeah, I got enough ammunition to have him missing like he swam with the fishes. That's facts, how I smash competition. And I don't even rap, just imagine if I did then. You will back up and start calling back up, but they don't even answer or calling you back up. It's going down, no one helping you back up. Been murdered ink, now I gotta dig it back up. But wait the fuck up, cause they done fucked up. Sleeping on me, now it's time to wake the fuck up. Fraud motherfuckers just made the fuck up. Fall back or get smacked the fuck up. I know you don't care, cause this ain't your body. Fucked up, but I can't blame nobody. That's my fault to even trust somebody when I knew not to trust nobody. I know you don't care, cause this ain't your body.